Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to hide emergency alert content on the lock screen in the X app. This is especially useful if you prefer to keep your notifications private and don't want sensitive details showing up when your screen is locked. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device settings. This is where most app preferences and notification options are located. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. From here, find the X app and select it. Once inside the X app settings page, tap on Notifications. This is the menu that controls all the alerts and updates you receive from the app. Now, choose notification categories. Categories allow you to manage specific types of alerts separately, so you can decide which ones show up and how they appear. Inside notification categories, locate Sending DM Messages. This controls the notifications for direct messages, including when an emergency alert or urgent message might appear on your phone's lock screen. Tap on Lock Screen and then select Hide Content. By choosing this option, you will still be alerted when a direct message or emergency alert arrives, but the actual content will remain hidden until you unlock your phone. This is a simple yet effective way to maintain your privacy and keep sensitive information out of sight. That's it. You've successfully changed the settings so that emergency alerts and direct messages from the X app no longer reveal details on your lock screen. You'll only know something has arrived without exposing the message content for others to see. Keeping your information private doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few quick steps in your phone settings, you now have greater control over what shows up on your lock screen. If you found this guide helpful, consider applying the same approach to other apps on your device that you'd like to keep more private. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference when it comes to your digital security. Thanks for following along.